Right now, as you watch this video, you feel completely still. Maybe you're sitting at your desk, lying on your couch, or holding your phone on the subway. But beneath your feet, reality is telling a terrifyingly different story. At this exact moment, the Earth is spinning on its axis at roughly 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. That's faster than the speed of sound. It's faster than a commercial airliner, and faster than a bullet fired from a handgun. Yet you don't feel a thing. No wind whipping past your face, no sudden G-force pulling at your chest. Why? Because of frame of reference. Everything around you, air, house, trees, birds, is moving along with the planet at that exact same speed. It's the same reason you can pour a glass of water on a plane without spilling a single drop, going 500 mph. But what if that smooth motion was interrupted? What if Earth slammed on the brakes for just 1 second? To understand the catastrophe, look at Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by a force. Think about riding in a car at 60 miles per hour, and the driver slams on the brakes. Your body jerks forward. Seatbelt locks up. Without the belt, you'd fly through the windshield. Now scale that idea up to a planetary level. If Earth stops, you don't. At the equator, Ecuador, Kenya, you move at 1,037 miles per hour. At the North Pole, rotational speed is practically zero. The atmosphere keeps flying eastward at supersonic speeds. A wall of wind over 1,000 miles per hour sweeps across the planet. Category 5 hurricane winds reach 190 miles per hour. EF5 tornado tops out at 300 miles per hour. We are talking winds 3x more powerful than any tornado. Skyscrapers turn off bedrock instantaneously. Trees, roads, and cities sheared off like dust. Air friction generates massive sonic booms. Covering over 70% of our planet's surface are the oceans. Billions of cubic miles of salt water rushing east. Imagine running with a full bucket of water and hitting a wall. This creates megatsunamis, hundreds of feet tall, moving faster than jet airliners. Coastal regions around the world obliterated in seconds. Atlantic and Pacific Oceans scouring continents clean. Mountain ranges acting like giant dams against miles-high waves. Geography as we know it erased, carving new inland seas. Deep beneath the surface, the solid Earth itself is screaming. Tectonic plates floating on a molten mantle. Kinetic energy converts into sheer friction and intense heat. Earthquakes of magnitude 9 or 10 fracture fault lines globally. Dormant volcanoes squeezed like tubes of toothpaste. Magma chambers rupturing up through new cracks in the crust. And then after just 1 second, Earth restarts. The planet resumes its rotation back at 1,000 miles per hour. This creates a second shockwave, a planetary whiplash. Equatorial bulge violently snapping out of shape and back. Seismic shockwaves rippling through the core for hours. In our daily lives, a single second is nothing. It's the time it takes to blink your eyes. It's the gap between heartbeats. It's the time you spend hesitating before clicking a link. We waste thousands of seconds every single day. But that 1 second of rotation keeps atmosphere stable. Our oceans in their basins and cities attached to ground. We live on a rock hurtling through space at mind-boggling speeds. Suspended in a perfect balance of physics. Allows us to build cities, sip morning coffee. So next time you're sitting in your room feeling bored, remember, you're currently flying through space at 1,000 miles per hour. And be glad the Earth never decides to take a break.